Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan ice cream with coconut milk. We're going to dive right into creating a creamy, dairy-free treat that's incredibly satisfying. You'll primarily need full-fat canned coconut milk, which is crucial for that rich texture, along with your preferred sweetener such as maple syrup or agave nectar. A tiny pinch of salt helps to enhance all the flavors. This recipe is straightforward, making it perfect for anyone looking to enjoy homemade vegan ice cream without fuss. The first crucial step is to chill your full-fat coconut milk cans in the refrigerator, ideally overnight. This allows the thick cream to separate from the watery liquid. When ready, carefully open the cans and scoop out only the solid, thick cream, discarding or saving the liquid for other uses. Transfer this rich cream into a blender. Add about 1/2 cup of your chosen sweetener, like maple syrup, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend everything until it's perfectly smooth and homogeneous. Once your mixture is smooth, it's time to freeze it. If you have an ice cream maker, pour the mixture in and churn it for about 20 to 30 minutes, following your machine's instructions. No ice cream maker? No problem. You can freeze it in a shallow pan, stirring every 30 to 60 minutes for about 3 to 4 hours until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Feel free to get creative with flavors. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for chocolate, or a 1/4 cup of fruit puree for a fruity twist. To ensure your vegan coconut ice cream is absolutely perfect, always opt for full-fat coconut milk. It's the secret to that luxurious, creamy texture. Don't be afraid to taste your mixture before freezing and adjust the sweetener to your liking. When you're ready to enjoy, let the ice cream sit out for about 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the freezer, and it will stay delicious for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.